Hi guys, welcome to Simple Math. This is a set of videos that consist in several explanations about dividing roots. To divide roots, I'm going to use the following property. This is a property of roots that says that when we have a root, yes, and another root, and both roots have the same index, I can play and I can say that this is equal to the root of A over B. So I can play with this property. So if I have a big root with a fraction inside, I can say that that fraction is the same than the square root of the number on top and the square root of the number down, or the denominator. All right, so let's begin using that property. Now, I can say that this is equal to, yes, let's work here down. This is equal to the big square root of 81 x to the power of 7 over, this is a cubed. Remember, we are working in this exercise with cube. Over 3x to the power of 2. And this is a fraction that we can simplify. Yes, and it's very easy. 81 divided by 3, 3 divided by 3. 81 divided by 3 is 27. X to the power of 7 and x squared. Remember, we subtract the exponent. So we have x to the power of 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. Now, actually what we have is like the cube root. Yes, the cube root of 27, x to the power of 5, and nothing inside. Now I can play with this, because what is the cube root of 27? Let's continue here. What is the cube root of 27? The cube root of 27 is 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So the cube root of x5. x5 doesn't have cube roots, but remember, we can play with that. I can say that x5 is the same than x to the power of 3 times x to the power of 2. Why? Because I need to simplify that, and there is a cube root. The index is 3, so I have to take the square root of the cube root of something, and this one has cube root. What is the cube root of x to the power of 3? Is x. Remember, a cube root of a variable is to divide the variable by 3. So I can take this out. So I can say that this is the same than 3 times the cube root of x to the power of 3 times x to the power of 2. And because of the property I mentioned in many videos ago, I can say that I can take out, the x to the power of 3. So I have, this is equal, and equal. I have 3x, which is the cube root of x to the power of 3, times x to the power of 2. Cube root of x to the power of 2. This is the final answer, or the answer in the simplest form. Well, I invite you to watch the following video about dividing roots. Thanks for watching Simple Math.